Welcome to one and all. I am Vasanta, Department of Computer Science, Gopalswamy PU College, Mysore. I want to find cube of a number. For example, if I am going to give A is 2, then what do you mean by cube of a number? That is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. The result, it has to be generated as 8. That is the aim of the program. What is the aim of the program? I want to find a cube of a number by using inline function. Then first, as usual, we have to start with the header file. Hash include iostream.h. This is the supporting header file to perform cin as well as cout. What is the aim of our program? Write a program to find cube of a number by using inline function. Now when I am writing the program, first I am using the header file iostream.h. This is the supporting header file to perform cin as well as cout. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cin ಮತ್ತೆ cout ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹೆಡರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡರ್ ಫೈಲ್ hash include conio.h. This is the supporting header file to perform clear screen as well as getch function. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ getch ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ conio.h ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. Then only this program will work. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಡರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರರ್ ಬರೋದು ಪ್ರೋಟೋಟೈಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೋಟೋಟೈಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಡರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then what is the aim of our program? To find cube of a number. To find cube of a number, now I am writing the class f cube is the class name. F cube. We are creating a class f cube. The class name we are written as f cube. Here we will open the flower bracket, that is we are opening the class. Here we have to declare the variables or we have to declare the functions. Which are the functions on this? In public section we are declaring the function. While writing the syntax, how we are written the syntax? Inline, then next return type, next after that we are writing the function name, then inside the bracket arguments, then here we are going to write the body, then we will close the function. In the same way in public section, before calling that function it has to be declared. That's why here we are writing public. Then next we are starting the keyword inline. Then next you have to write the return type. Return type ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟೈಪ್. Then what is my aim of the program? For example, I want to find cube of a number. That's why I am going to writing the function name is cube and class name is f cube. Inside the bracket int a I am to write. A is the argument which I am taking of type integer format. Inside this, that is after this, inside the bracket we have to write the statement, that is return a into a is the return value, a into a. Then close this function, then next close the class. See what we are written? Class f cube is the class name, cube is the function name, integer represent the return type. See the syntax? First we are writing inline, then next return type, f cube is the function name, inside the bracket argument, that is I am taking only one argument because I want to find area of cube of a number. That's why only one argument are required, that is int a, then return a into a, then close the function, then close the class. Now we have to start with the main program. While writing the program in the void main, first we have to start with our main program, that is void main. Here we will open the main program. Here I am to take the, I have to create the object, then f cube, then f is the object name. For example, f cube, leave one space, then object name, that is f. Next what I have to write? I am going to take the arguments, that is value to take. Int x I am to take, whereas x is the original value, a is the dummy value. Actual argument, formal argument. Then what is the next thing? Cout enter the value. Inside the double quotes, I'm going to write enter. Before this, if you want to display, the screen has to be clear, then write down clear screen. CLR, SCR, clear screen. Then C out, enter the number. Enter the number. To move the cursor next line, slash n also you can write, otherwise end line also you can write. End line. Okay, next, C in extraction operator, X is the value which I am inputting here. ಈ C ಇನ್ನು C out ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ iostream.header ಫೈಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ conio.header ಫೈಲ್. Next, I am going to call the functions. C out insertion operator, the cube of a number. The cube of a number equals. Then display the value. Then insertion operator. With the help of function we are calling, that's why f dot, what is the function name here we are given? Cube. Cube, the value argument I am writing as x here. This is the argument I am taking. Then what it will display? The cube of a given number equals f dot cube inside the bracket x. Then what is the next thing? Get ch, close the main program. Now we will show you how to execute this program on the system. You have to click on DOS box. There we will get a screen. Click on File, New Option. Then maximize the screen. Here first by using comment section, write down the version. That is, write a program. Write a program to find the cube of a number using inline function. Then close the comment section. If you want, you can use single line command, otherwise multi-line command also you can use. Now type down the program. First start with header include iostream.h, supporting header file for scene as well as cout. Next one, include conio.h, supporting header file for clear screen as well as getch. Next, we want to start with the class. Class f cube is the class name here we are given. Next, in private section, declare the variables, but in this case we don't have any variables. Directly we have to write the function. For the sake, in public section, declare the function. Here we are using inline is the keyword for inline function, inline. Then return type, here we are given as int, and the function name is cube, and here we have only one argument, int a. See the function, here we are written inline is the keyword, int is the return type, cube is the function name, int a. Now we are writing the statement inside the class only here. For the sake, don't put any semicolon there. Directly you can open the bracket and write down return. Return, what is the return value? A into A. That is the aim of the program, to find cube of a number. Next, close this function. Then next, close the class. To close the class, first you have to put flower bracket, then semicolon. Next, void main program. Void main. Now open the flower bracket, create the object. How to create object? First class name, that is f cube, leave one space, object name here we are given as C. Then next, declare the variables, that is int x is the variable. Next, clear screen, CLR, SCR. Cout, inside the insertion operator, inside the double quotes, enter a number. For whichever number you want to find cube, that number here you have to write. Enter a number. Then to move the next line, insertion operator and line function. Next scene, extraction operator x. Next see out, display that result, that cube of a number, that is cube of a given number. Display the value, that is c dot, with the help of object call the function c dot cube, inside the bracket x is the value. Now next get ch, close the main program. After this, first save the program. Here we are given experiment 9 .cpp is the file name we are given. Compulsory here to save the file with the extension .cpp. Now compile the program. There it is displaying that press any key, we have one error. Error it is displaying. To identify the error, press enter key. There it is displaying function GECH should have a prototype. Then where exactly we had made a mistake, get ch badlagi GECH we are written. Make the correction. Now compile the program. There is no any error. Once again save the program. Then run the program. To run, control F9 here to press. It is asking a number. For example, if I am going to enter 2, the cube of a number, especially the cube of a given number is 2 is 8. It is displaying. One more time I am going to compile the program. Once again run the program. For example, I am going to enter 3. Cube of a given number is, it is displaying 27. For example, one more example I am going to give. Enter the number. There for example I am to enter 5. The cube of that 5, the given number is 125. Like this you have to perform. Then next, to come out from that, file quit, then exit function. Next class we will meet with new program. Thank you for all of you.